Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm Arif, your cloud learning journey partner. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 IT entry-level jobs that pays more than $100,000 a year. Maybe you have finished your bachelor's in computer science and you are looking for some entry-level jobs in IT, or you are planning to do a career transition in IT. Well, after watching this video, you will know exactly which specific job into target to get more than $100,000 a year. Whenever we're talking about the six-figure salary, this is always an exciting thing because this is a milestone. And if you can achieve this milestone at the very beginning of your career, then your career growth will be much, much higher. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss about these top 5 jobs. Before starting the video, I just want to talk about myself. Well, I'm Arif. I do have more than 8 years of experience in cloud computing and cybersecurity. I hold multiple certification in AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Beside that, I also hold CISSP and CCSP, which are the industry standard of cybersecurity certification. Well, this channel is all about cloud computing, cybersecurity, and IT career-related tips. So if you're interested in this field, this channel is definitely for you. I'm gonna upload a tons of videos related to this topic, so please like and subscribe to my channel so you can see my upcoming videos. So without further delay, let's explore the top 5 entry-level jobs, IT jobs that pays more than 100K a year. Before talking about these particular jobs in IT that pays more than 100K a year as an entry-level position, I just want to clarify a few things. So a question can come up to our mind, like, as an entry level, how is it even possible to get 100K per year? Well, the answer is, look, we all know that nowadays the demand of an IT professional is quite high, and there are more jobs in the field than a skilled professional. So that's a plus point for us as an employee. And also some particular topic right now are a very hot topic. So if we choose a career field in that particular field, then it's very likely that we're going to land a job where we'll get paid more than 100K as an entry level position. So that's the reason why even we are starting our career, it's very likely that we're gonna get a good amount of money as a starting point in IT profession. The first job that pays more than 100K a year, even for an entry-level IT professional, is cloud solutions architect. Cloud is a big thing now. More and more organizations are moving their infrastructure from on-prem to the cloud, because on cloud it's easier to manage, the security is better, there is almost zero downtime, and the cost is even less if you can manage it properly. So as an IT professional, as a cloud solutions architect, your role would be to create the blueprint, the infrastructure blueprint that will help the organization to do the cloud migration. So this is a very cool role. Even I started my career as a cloud solutions architect, and whenever we are talking about cloud, we are mainly talking about 3 main key players. The first one is Amazon Web Service, in short we call it AWS. The second one is Google Cloud, and the third one is Microsoft Azure. So if you have a skill set and certification in these 3 key cloud vendors, then you're all good. You can easily make more than 100K even as you're in your early career. So from there you can earn way more and more. If you do a job switch 2 or 3 times, then your earning potential will be even higher. You can easily touch the 200K mark easily. Second job that pays more than 100K a year, even for an entry-level IT professional, is cybersecurity analyst. So we all know that whenever we're dealing with this digital world, we are dealing with data which are in digital format, and we must have to have proper countermeasures, proper firewall, proper sort of security in place to protect our data. Even after all of this, in newspaper, in blogs, in everywhere, you can find that big companies are facing this data breach, cybersecurity event, an event that compromised their data, and then millions of users that are compromised. So now cybersecurity analyst is a particular role that will help you to start your career in cybersecurity field, because cybersecurity is a huge domain. But you can definitely start with a cybersecurity analyst role. So even you are starting your career as a cybersecurity analyst, analyst, it's very easy to get a job that pays more than 100K because the demand is high. In our current statistics, it is found that the jobs that are available currently in the market for cybersecurity expert are more than the available professionals in this particular field with the proper skill set. So guess what does it mean? That means you are in high demand if you have a skill set in cybersecurity field. So this is a very cool role to start your career, and I have created a lot of videos where I have discussed how you can start your cybersecurity role. I will also mention those video links under my video description so that you can easily find those videos. Third job that pays more than 100K as an entry-level IT professional is software developers. Nowadays, we are heavily rely on software. We're heavily rely on software as a service. So whenever we are building or we are developing a software, an application, we need our developers. And if you are good with programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, you are in a good terms. Even you are a fresh graduate in your university, when you did some projects, you gain some very valuable knowledge in programming language, you finish some projects where you have also achieved some sort of hands-on experience, you are all good. So the demand of a software engineer is really high, and it's very likely, like if you do have some really good skills in programming field, then you can easily land a job which pays more than 100K even if you're starting your career. Or if you are doing a career transition, you were in a different career and now you're thinking to move to do a career transition to IT, then programming, this software engineering is a very good option. All you have to do is to learn programming language. You have to practice it. There are tons of free resources all over the internet that you can find. You can go through the YouTube channels, YouTube resources, some online resources, even some platform where maybe for some amount of money you can get a membership, and from there you can learn. There are a lot of boot camps where you can learn programming. So the way you can learn programming is huge, but all you need to have the mindset and the consistency. And once you have gained this experience in a particular programming language, boom, you are all ready to start your career in IT, and it will pay really well. You can easily make more than 100K a year. The fourth job in this list is DevOps Engineer. DevOps Engineer makes sure that the developer and the operation team has a good understanding. So as a DevOps engineer, you have to do some automation, you have to create pipelines, into know some specific script languages. So once you have this skill set, then you are in high demand, because whenever the developer creates something, then the developer need to have some sort of code pipeline to deploy the new codes to the application, and there should be a system process, the approval process. So then the DevOps engineer makes sure that everything is in line. So this is an excellent choice as a career, as an entry-level role as a DevOps engineer. Once you have it, then you will get a lot of hands-on experience that will help you to grow in your career, that's for sure. And as a DevOps engineer, it's very likely you're gonna make more than 100K, even if you are just starting your career, because you do have the understanding, you do have the skills and the hands-on experience. So the best part about IT field is that it doesn't matter how many years or when you start your career. The only thing that matters is like how much skillful you are, what sort of skill you possess, and how well you can solve the problem. So that's good for us. So if we do the hard part, if we spend time, if we be consistent about learning something new, then we definitely get reward out of it. So I would highly suggest you to spend some time to learn about DevOps. Then you can easily land your job that will pay more than 100K easily, even for an entry-level position. The fifth and the last job that I want to mention today that pays more than 100K even for an entry-level IT professional is data scientist. We all know that in recent years, data science has caught attention. Everybody is talking about data science. It's about big data. It's about how we can organize it. So data science is a very cool a very cool role. So in data science, you really need to have programming knowledge. You really need to know some algorithm. You need to know how to sort out or clean the data. Data science has become way easier right now with the collaboration of integration of cloud. So now you can easily get some handmade tools that you can use as a data scientist. So here you can easily start your career in data scientist. And if we want to see the current trend, data science is definitely in top 3. So for that reason, if you learn some skills with data science and get a job in as a data scientist, that would be awesome for your career. Beside learning the knowledge, you will also earn quite a good amount of money in this particular job field. So here you have it. So now you know exactly what particular 5 job positions that pays more than 100K, even for a fresh graduate or someone who wants to do a career transition in IT. Here, one thing I want to mention is that IT is a field where you can earn a lot, but all you need to do is do the hard work. You need to be persistent. You have to push yourself. You have to enhance your knowledge, enhance your skill set. For that, you have to spend time. You have to be very much punctual. And you have to have a particular goal and roadmap. For instance, for me, when I started my journey in IT field after finishing a bachelor's, I started with my cloud journey. So I started to learn cloud. I started to take some certification. I got a job in cloud. Beside that, I also explored different field. And then I realized that beside the cloud, I also want to learn cybersecurity. Then I created a roadmap. Pretty much okay, I'm now as an entry level position. So after this, I have to go from medium, and from medium to the expert level. So what particular certification, what particular skill sets that will help me to achieve this? So you have to have a clear vision, clear roadmap, maybe from now to 5 years. What would be your journey, how are you gonna proceed further? So you have to have it, and so once you have the roadmap, all you need to do is to stick to it and give it time and be very punctual with it. You have to be very much honest to yourself, because if you are doing this, then the result, you will definitely see the result. So that's my suggestion for you. If you have any questions related to these job roles that I mentioned today, please let me know in this comment section, and I will reply you in a very short period of time. I am really glad that our community is growing really fast. More and more people are joining. The main motivation behind this channel is to create a community where everyone will help each other to become a better IT professional. Well, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my upcoming videos. Well, that's all for today. Have a great and wonderful day.